Alright, girls and guys, now that we've got settled our fueling and charging system, we can take a deeper look in our smoking issue. And no, I'm not talking about my lungs this time. As we can all see, the smoke comes from the front of the engine at the first sight, and I actually seen two spots that caught my eyes. First one was where the exhaust pipes unite with the cylinder head, and the second spot would be where all the antifreeze pipes connect with the cylinder block, engine block, and so on. So let's cut it off to the real deal. We took down all front fairings, radiator, antifreeze and exhaust pipes. We stripped down everything from this bike, so man, it took a while, I need to say. A lot of patience, but we did it. So next step, we obviously changed all the O-rings from the antifreeze pipes and all the copper washers that sealed the exhaust pipes with the cylinder head. We've also inspected all the rubber pipes for cracks or anything weird on them. Nothing special in particular, which was nice because these pipes can get quite expensive if you need to order them originally, and unfortunately you need to order them OEM. Moving on, we've obviously poured some fresh coolant in this baby. Okay, now we've got a hydrated motorcycle. And because we worked around the engine area, we've visually inspected the spark plugs and actually noticed that one wasn't shining at all. So we've plugged the new ones, and the difference was naked eye observable, to be honest, as you can see. So make sure you never forget about your spark plugs because they are critical for your engine to run smooth. Well, this would be for this episode. Thanks for watching, and if you liked what you saw, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel because this pushes us forward as the 106 horsepower of this bike do with it. So also give up a thumb and maybe put in a comment if you'd like us to engage. For the next episode, we're gonna tackle the undercarriage of the bike. So until that one pops up online, peace!